Can you speak about your daily routine in English for 1 minute? Many people know English words like wake up, breakfast, work and sleep. But when they try to speak, they get stuck. What if I told you that by the end of this video, you will be able to talk about your entire day in simple English? Hello everyone, welcome to New Choice Online Classroom. Today, we are going to learn how to talk about our daily routine in English. This lesson is perfect for beginners, students, job seekers, anyone who wants to improve spoken English. Let's start speaking English confidently. Section 1, warm-up practice. I wake up early every day. I start my day with a smile. I like being productive. I follow a daily routine. I manage my time well. Every day is a new opportunity. I enjoy learning English. Practice makes me better. Now repeat them one more time with confidence. Section 2, morning routine sentences. Let's learn useful morning routine sentences. I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. First, I brush my teeth. Then I take a shower. I get dressed for the day. I have a healthy breakfast. After breakfast, I go to school. Or after breakfast, I go to work. I usually leave home at 8 a.m. Every morning, I wake up at 6 a.m. I brush my teeth, take a shower and have breakfast before going to work. Section 3, afternoon routine. Now let's talk about the afternoon. I work hard during the day. I attend classes and complete my tasks. I have lunch at noon. I spend time learning new things. I stay focused on my goals. In the afternoon, I attend my classes and complete my assignments. I also spend time reading books. Section 4, evening and night routine. I return home in the evening. I spend time with my family. I relax after work. I watch educational videos. I practice English every day. I have dinner with my family. I go to bed at 10 p.m. In the evening, I spend time with my family and practice English. After dinner, I prepare for the next day and go to sleep. Question and answer practice. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 6 a.m. What do you do after wake up? I brush my teeth and take a shower. What do you do in the afternoon? I work, study and complete my tasks. How do you spend your evenings? I spend time with my family and practice English. What time do you go to bed? I usually go to bed at 10 p.m. Real life conversation. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 6 a.m. What do you do after that? I brush my teeth, take a shower and have breakfast. What do you do during the day? I work and complete my tasks. What do you do in the evening? I spend time with my family and practice English. That's a great routine. Thank you. 1 minute speaking challenge. Speak about your daily routine for 1 minute. My daily routine starts at 6 a.m. I wake up, brush my teeth and take a shower. Then I have breakfast and go to work. During the day, I complete my tasks and learn new things. In the evening, I spend time with my family and practice English. I go to bed at 10 p.m. This is my daily routine. Pause the video and try it yourself. Section 8, Fluency Booster. Want to speak English faster? Speak for 5 minutes daily. Describe your day in English. Learn 5 new words every day. Record your voice and listen to it. Practice without fear. Remember, small daily practice creates big results. Successful people follow a routine. Fluent English speakers also follow a routine. They practice every day. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start speaking today, improve tomorrow, and become fluent step by step. If you enjoyed this video, like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to New Choice Online Classroom. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.